Welcome back everyone, it's Albert Lebel once again, and I've got a gnarly challenge locking device, I kid you not. It's number 23 by Jeffrey Post, and while I did pick this one a little bit ago, trying to get it on camera right now has been a pain in the ass. There's something really badass in there, and I'm just dying to see what's in it. There's the bitting on the key, pretty wild, pretty cool, definitely, but it does work like butter, works really good until you put a pick in it. Then it just stops working. I mean, this thing has been kicking my freaking arse right now. What a great lock, Jeffrey. What a freaking great lock. Alright, I know it's probably going to take me about 2 hours to get into it. Let's go ahead and get started. Drop my little shotgun dude in the bottom. Go to the top of the keyway. And see if we can get into it. Golly, man, this thing is badass. Okay. I'm using heavy tension this time just for the heck of it. I really don't know if that's going to help. I just overset one. Let's try it again. Good golly, Miss Molly. Okay, got a little bit. Let me try this gem. Maybe it'll go a little higher in the back there. Okay, now it's just kind of stuck. Okay. Yep, we're just jammed up. No clue. Let me go counterclockwise. Wow. I really don't have a clue. I can't get anything to react to the pick. I mean, you can hear it snap, crackle, and popping. There we go. Got a little farther that time. I don't know. Let's see. Lost it. There we go. My goodness gracious. Jeffrey. Wow, buddy. Holy frickin' smokes, man. What a fantastic lock. Oh my God. This thing had me freaking scratching my head, man. Alright, beautiful. I am dying to see what's in here. What do you say? Let's do this. Good golly. Wow. I really like that one, man. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I don't know why. I don't know why I love the pain and suffering so much, but I do. All right, and we're nearing the end of the month now for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. But there will be we'll do it again next year, and I think I mentioned it on my last video. I think next year a bunch of us are going to do something really special in the name of Lock Sport for breast cancer awareness and the fight itself. So there we go. We're finally open on this SOB right here. All right, we got the key so we can lock it back up. My goodness, man. Holy smokes. That was a blast. Okay, bada boom, bada bing. I'm going to go ahead and leave it. I know I could take it out of this holder, but go ahead and leave it in there. No need to take it out. Actually, before, I think it was Bobby Keys made me some of these kick holders and Euro holders. That's what I used to use, is one of these. If you watched my early videos, you'd know. All right, bada boom, bada bing. Let's get the key in there. I'm going to definitely try and try to shim it. Well, yeah, there we go. Okay. Pink follower. Let's do this. Yep. Masterful little 5-pinner. Okay, so obviously we can see, looks like number 2 was somewhat of an overset trap, fair to say. Let's get them laid out. Oh yeah, I could see why I was having a problem. sometimes when you got them like spool type key pins, you lift them up and you get stuck in that the spool part of that key pin, and you think it's set. Well, I do. Speak for myself, I guess. But it does. It feels like it's set when it's really overset. All right, on the core we've got threading in 2 and 4. See if I can get that good. Threading in 2 and 4. Beautiful. Well played. Well played. Get that shim out of there. And see what we got upstairs. Where we at? Okay. We've got, okay, it's not a 2-piece. See, now this one could have went maybe the other way around. I'm going to put it how it came out though, just like that. Alright, looks like a brass pin in that one, or copper, whatever they make them out of. Same with this one. I would almost put that the other way, but I'll tell you what, this thing worked really good, so I shouldn't say nothing. You know what? That spring, oh, there it goes. Apparently it's threaded in there and it didn't want to come out. 3 is another, looks like a single threaded one. That spring wants to play. 4, looks like a factory spool probably in there. Looks like a steel spring in that one. And then for number 5, we can attempt going the other side if we take it very carefully. Very slowly. There we go. We got a standard in number 5. Freaking V in the follower. Okay. Okay, come on, buddy. There we go. Alright. Now we've got threading in 2 and 4. Was that the same on the core? Yep. Threading in 2 and 4, just like the core. Alright, bada boom, bada bing. Number 23 by Mr. Jeffrey Post. I'm going to put the key over here like so if I can. Oh, this is awkward. Okay. Bring my little fancy little table around. There we go. Alright. Yeah, this thing was freaking awesome. It worked really good, Jeffrey. Fantastic job, bud. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Alright. So I think we're focused pretty good right there, yeah. Look good. Looks good to me. Alright, so key pins. We've got this funky looking kind of spool with a ring around the middle of it. And 1. 2 is this double, almost spooled like, or double serrated. 3, again, almost spooled like. 4, it kind of got these, it's serrated. Definitely serrated. 5, standard. Drivers, we got this, I guess, conical spool type Fligma bob. Same thing in number 2. Like I said, these could almost went flipped around the other way, but hey, the lock worked good, so whatever. Spool in 3, real skinny one. Looks like a factory spool in 4, maybe. And then a standard in 5. Absolutely phenomenal. Well done, Jeffrey. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and like I said in my last video, I'm getting some more subscribers, and I just want to say thank you so much. I really do appreciate your support. Let's keep this thing going, huh? Thank you.